Let's learn how you can create new Supercell ID. So there are a few things you can do. First one is you need to log out of Supercell ID that you are logged in right now and start a new game. I mean, start playing without Supercell ID and you will get an option where you can register new one. Second thing that will I show you in this tutorial is you want to install a new Supercell game that you didn't play before or you didn't connect your Supercell ID to it before. For example, for me, it's Squad Busters. So let us open that game. Now you want to click on three horizontal lines and you will see this connect button. And as you can see here, you can register a new Supercell ID. So you want to click on it, click continue, enter your email, and you will get an email code where you can log into that Supercell ID